My name is Bree from 1134 Press, and this is my catch-all journal. I collage in it, I plan in it, I write out random ideas and work out personal issues on its pages with very little rhyme or reason. I learned after trying to maintain planners and bullet journal systems that I'm just not wired that way to consistently use them, which always resulted in unnecessary pressure and stress. However, there are elements of those journal systems that I still use in my catch-all journal. So, in this Junk Journal With Me episode, I wanted to share this page with you that I created to plan what I want to accomplish in 2021. Christmas is almost here, and the New Year's will follow shortly thereafter, which is a natural time to start goal setting. I wanted to make this page a decorated one so it's easier to reference to later in the year. Most of the ephemera that I'm using is from the Antiquarian sticker book and from Dubious Documents. I've been using those two books a lot lately, and if you like vintage aesthetics, I highly recommend picking those up. I think they're perfect for art journaling beginners because they are affordable and have the possibility of helping you embellish hundreds of pages. So like for my December dailies that I've been sharing on 1134 Press's Instagram, I find myself reaching for the Antiquarian sticker book over and over again. I'll make sure to link those two books in the description below if you're interested. So before I start writing about what I want to do next year, I took some time to reflect on the accomplishments. One thing that I'm really proud of is that I hit a milestone with this channel, which wouldn't have been possible without you all watching and subscribing and sending me really nice and encouraging messages in the comments. And I'm especially thankful to those of you who bought me a coffee through the link in our description down below. One of my goals for this year is to get better quality video and audio recording equipment to make better content for you all. Other goals that I have for next year is to make new products for our Etsy shop and also to take a local letterpress class. But more importantly, I'm looking forward to making more memories with my husband in our new house and creating new friendships with people who also love paper crafts and journaling. Share with me in the comments one of your project goals that you have in the new year. This is kind of late for an introduction, but if you are new to this channel, my name is Bree from 1134 Press. Subscribe if you like bookmaking, journaling, and papercraft inspiration. We upload every Sunday and Wednesday. So you'll be happy to know that the piece of vellum that I am using on this spread is actually torn from the book that we made last week, where I organized all of my paper scraps into that little notepad that was inspired by the 1960s notepad that belonged to my great-grandfather-in-law. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure I add it to the cards and in the description below. Oh, and that little perforator cutter tool came in the mail, and it is perfect. It's like just the thing that I needed for that project to make tearing the pages out easier. But yeah, so that's all I have to say. I'll let the video play from here. If you guys have any questions for me, just leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video on Wednesday.